Imagine that you can extend your gratitude to every tiny cell in your body. And say out loud, I am grateful. Feel how your heart is so full of love right now. Everything you need, you have. There are people out there who are there for you. And you are there for others. Breathe in deeply here again and let a big smile of gratitude come across your face. Say to yourself, I am grateful for this meditation. I am thankful for the air around me, fresh oxygen. Hold that smile on your face. You are beautiful. You add joy to the lives of others. Let your hands rest in your lap now, and gently open your eyes and look around you. Experience gratitude for all the things in your surroundings. Become grateful for this recording, leaving you feeling relaxed, just like you deserve. Return from this meditation with a greater sense of gratitude for everything in your life. You feel amazing, and you are thankful for that. Namaste.